how to start a group chat on Instagram. So first off, we want to go to our homepage, Instagram homepage right here. Then we want to select on the chat option next to the little heart. From here, we want to click on the pen and paper. And here you select the people you want to add to the group chat. So for example, let's say I want to add Justin Bieber and Will Smith. All right, okay, Will Smith, like that. So when you have added the people, you click on chat, and here you need to send the first message in order to get the group going. However, if it shows up like it does for me, you can't start group chats yet. That means that your profile isn't verified yet, or I haven't added my mobile phone number to the profile. So in order to do that, you want to go to your profile, the 3 lines, settings. Here you go to account, personal information, and you add your phone number. Okay, so thank you for watching. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.